Hi parents, everyone is talking about AI right now, but how do we make sure that our children are actually using it to learn rather than just using it as a shortcut for their homework? Today I want to share 4 AI tools that are genuinely changing the game for a student's academic growth. So first is Perplexity AI. Unlike a generic chatbot, it acts like a smart research assistant, mapping out verified academic sources and teaching students how to do credible research. Second is Google NotebookLM. Students can upload their own class materials and the AI safely converts that exact information into personalized study guides without making things up. Third is Claude AI, which everyone knows about that. It has incredible reasoning power, making it perfect for breaking down massive reading assignments, complex textbook chapters, or structuring essay outlines. And fourth, platforms like Notion AI and Study Fetch help students organize their notes, track deadlines, and automatically build flashcards for effective exam revision. In this digital age, staying informed about these AI tools helps us guide our children toward true academic success. Wishing you all a wonderful day ahead from the entire team here at SS Children Academy School, Sodala, Jaipur.